Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that calculates the total number of pages required to print a given number of lines, where each page can hold a fixed number of lines. Here, we are using the math library. We are asking the user enter the total number of lines to print. It is assigned to lines variable. Then we ask the enter the number of lines per page, and it is going to be assigned to lines per page variable. Then we are going to divide line by lines per page, okay? And then it is going to be assigned in pages variable. But we want to round it up. In order to round it up, I use the actually math library, and I also use or call the Ceil function from the math library, and in parentheses I type down lines and then lines per page. For example, if I have, for example, 200 lines, and in each page there are 19 lines, so I would like to know how many pages do I need. So 200 is divided by 19. The result, if you do it yourself, will be approximately 10.52, but because we are using the Ceil function, the output will be 11, so it is rounding it up. So let me run the code. It says enter the total number of lines to print, so the total number of lines, it's 200, for example. Then enter the number of lines per page. I would say it's 19, for example. It says you will need 11 pages to print 200 lines. But you see that 200 is divided by 19 in this formula here. 200 is divided by 19. But because we are using the Ceil function, the output, which is 10.52, is rounded up to 11, and we see that in the output, number 11 is shown. So this is how we can use Ceil function from the math library to round up the output for us. Thank you for watching.